Hey guys, welcome back to Bright Night Tech. My name is Berto and today we're looking at the GIEC CandyPods, their true wireless earbuds. We're going to start with an unboxing and then we're going to take a look at what it can do. So let's get started. Alright, here is the box. It's a very tiny box, pretty straightforward. CandyPods, true wireless earbuds, shows you what it has. It's a nice design for the box, very simplistic. There's some information in the back already if you just want that information right away, but we'll talk about some of that stuff in just a second. And nice glossy logo right there. Alright, enough about the box. Let's get this open. Alright, first of all, we have the user manual. Let's go ahead and open this guy up. Anything in there? Nope. Okay, let's open this up, and that part is in Chinese, so let's flip it over to the English side. There we go. Alright, pretty much tells you what comes in the box, some information. If you want to pause it, you can kind of take a look at all the information right here. There you go. Go ahead and pause it if you want. But yeah, we'll talk about some of that stuff right now. Okay, very straightforward. It is not super fancy, so if you want just something, let's go ahead and take these headphones out here. Ooh, nice case. If you want something straightforward, these are definitely the way to go. It looks like there's a little bit of a scuff mark. Could just be some adhesive. I'll see if I can clean that up in just a second. But it's a really lightweight case here. It's nice and glossy. Definitely just fits in your pocket and you're not really going to notice it. Looks good. Let's go ahead and open it up. And there are your headphones in there. It's a magnetic case. There we go. Alright, these feel very nice and lightweight. I do like the ear design, the little bud design there. It's that cool kind of oval that will fit in your ear properly. And bottom we have a USB-C port, which I'm very happy to see. I'm very happy a lot of these companies are definitely switching over to USB-C as opposed to the micro USB charging, because obviously it's faster, it's more efficient. Let's move that out of the way. What do we have under here? Should be the charging cable. Yes, it is. And we have a very short USB-C cable, and I think that's it. Yeah. Alright, that's it. Very straightforward. But let's go ahead and talk about the sound quality on it. Alright, so I was very surprised by the sound quality. It's actually pretty decent. There is no way to change the levels on it, but that's okay. The ones that come with it standard are pretty good. I boosted up the volume all the way to the highest just to see how it sounded. Even though they're half-in-ear earbuds, it does have a nice seal to it, so you do get that noise canceling that you might not get with some other earbuds of the same type of design, which is really cool. And the touch controls are very responsive. Alright, so you want to know how much are these and where can you get them? Well, you can grab these from Amazon right now for $26.99. They come in different colors: black, pink, white, and baby blue, I believe. But yeah, so a couple things about it. It's going to give you 4 hours of continuous play and 24 hours if you use the case, which is really good. It is an IP55 waterproof resistant, or waterproof, which is really good. The case is not waterproof, so do not get the case wet, but the earbuds are, so if you want to use them in the rain or if you're using for working out, I do recommend these if you are new to getting wireless earbuds. The price is right on these. They're very basic controls. If you just want to dip your toe in it, I do recommend these. You will be happy with them. And then later down the line, if you want to get something fancier, you can. But I think these will definitely last you a good amount of time. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, go ahead and put in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button for notifications. And we will see you next time.